So our next one is a very big Pikachu and Eevee. So, you just tear this. I'm gonna get a paper cut. Okay. Here it goes. This is big, guys. Ouch. Oh, this is so big. This can't believe how big it is. I cannot take it out. There you go. Okay. Pokeball. Okay. Our Eevee shadow foil. And our Pikachu shadow foil. And the Pikachu and Eevee. So let's see what's inside the Pokeball. Scary, guys. Okay. We got a steam stage, a burning shadow, a lost thunder, and another lost thunder. So let's start opening. Steam stage. You're going to put. It's tricky, guys. Okay. Go. What? Don't know. We got a Jumpluff, a Gardevoir Spirit Link, a Nazul, a Claw Fossil, a Nidoran, a Lightlow, a Sneasel, Mario, and a Yanma. Time for a burning shadow. Then after that we're gonna open a Celestial Stone. Okay. Here. Okay, we got a Lightning Energy, we got a Charmeleon, we got a Dusclops, we got a Porygon 2, we got a Mudbray, we got a Labor, we got a Hoot, we got a Alolan Vulpix, we got a Ralts, we got a Wobbuffet, we got a Palmaria Full Art. That's amazing, guys. So next one, don't remember Celestial Song. Point. Is it correct? Okay. We got a Metal Energy, Marwell, Elmis, Plusle, Spurn-Rock, a Lavitar, Slap, a Ladvix, and Electric. And we got a Prism Latios and Sceptile. Okay. Okay, so our next one is what? So we got 2 last time. Okay. Ooh. Grumble. Dark Energy. A custom catcher. A Hitmontop. A Magerna. We got a Nickada. We got a Blitzel. We got a Slowpoke. We got a Bricks. We got a Laventa. And a Chorkita. Okay, our last pack. There you go. Okay. Elective, a Fire Energy, a Visqueen, Heracross, Pinsir, Rocks, Cedric, Pinsir, Combi, a Little and a Silcoon. So I'll show you the cards that we have. So we got the Silcoon Reverse Hollow. We got the Chorkita Reverse Hollow. We got the Latios. Okay. We got the Latios Prism. We got the Wobbuffet. We got Pikachu Shadow Foil. We got a Eevee. We got a Pidgey. We got a Jirachi. We got an NK. We got a Poliwrath. A Lightning Energy. A Reverse Wilder. A very cool Mewtwo. Riolu. Tentacool. Sceptile. Triple Aeration Energy. We got a Alolan Graveler. And a Hitmonlee. We got the Latios and Latias. And we got the full art Pureo. So you can feel the texture. It's not a fake card. And it's so cool. So this is my favorite Pokemon, Gengar. So it's a soft toy and it's so squishy. And this is a Laser X real life laser gaming experience. So I'll show you the things inside. So I'll set it up for you. Very big box. Ooh. Boom, check it out. Okay. So this is a very ginormous size. Oh man. This is big. Super big. These are the guns. Your okay, so this is where I'm gonna put my head and my hands in here, and I'm gonna play with my daddy, laser tag, and this is the instructions. If you want to pause the video, you can look at this. And another gunny. Our nozzle. Pew, 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 pew. So yeah, so that's it for this channel. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. Bye bye.